Hello and welcome to Community Outreach. My name is Cindy Nardi. Mother Teresa once said, "Kind words can be short and easy to speak, but their echoes are truly endless." I would like to take that just one step further and say that kind deeds can make a difference in the hearts and lives of others that echoes in eternity. The Community Outreach is a service class that attempts to do just that. The mission of the Community Outreach program is to equip high school students with the educational and spiritual tools necessary to reach out and serve and work in conjunction with local churches, along with parents and key local elementary, junior high, and high school administrators, teachers, and students to bring light and kingdom principles to our community. So we are a service class that goes to serve. This year, as last, our Bible department's mission is to provide a place where students feel cared for and know they can find support and prayer. Your student is probably overwhelmed with other academic classes, college apps, SAT tests, and so on. I want you to know that I'm here for them to support them in any way possible, especially in prayer. This year, my class will consist of biblical teaching in leadership, study on prayer and missions, and a focus on child development and lesson planning, including some teaching strategies. I am very pleased to announce that we will be traveling down to a local elementary school once a week to tutor and teach art, music, robotics, sports, science, and dance. We will be following all the COVID protocols during our outreaches. Reaching out into the community is so important to the spiritual development of our students. They learn how to serve. 1 John 3:18 says, "Let us not love with words or in tongue, but with actions and in truth." When I graduated from Bethany Bible College and obtained my teaching credential in 1980, I never imagined what I would be doing now. With teaching elementary children for 12 years, and then with teaching Bible to high school students, the Lord prepared me to be exactly where I am today. This is my 35th year of teaching. I love teaching and I love pastoring. My husband and I pastor a church, Kingsway Community Church, and I'm the mother of 3 children and a grandmother of 5, and I love it. I believe that today, with all the difficulties in the world, so much going on, and in each personal life, it's so important to stress the care of the whole person. I want your student to know that they can reach out to me for support at any time. This service outreach class will help your student understand what it means to be a great leader and to give them the opportunity to work on those leadership skills that are so foundational for a successful career and life. If you have any questions for me or would just like to get together to chat, please email me at cnardi@bcs.net. Please encourage your student to reach out to me if they need help or support. Lastly, if you'd like to join us on our outreaches on one of the campuses, please email me. We'd love to have your help. Goodbye and God bless you.